Hello everyone, it's me, Henry Boxdall. Welcome to my channel, Troubleshooting with Henry. Today's topic is doing laundry while traveling. Laundry is something a lot of people don't think about when preparing for a trip, but it is very important. If you're traveling with only carry-on luggage, how do you keep your clothes clean when you don't have that many clothes to begin with? Here are a few tips. In the planning stages of your trip, try to book accommodations that have laundry facilities. These will be mentioned in the accommodation description and reviews, so make sure you take the time to investigate. When packing for your trip, you'll want to pack clothes that can go in the same load. This makes things a lot easier and more efficient. You may not be in one place for a long time. It's likely you'll only have time to do one load of laundry, with not much time for it to dry. It's better, if you can, to throw everything into one load, so avoid whites and delicates if possible. On previous travels, my companions and I rarely had a dryer. The common practice in Europe is to hang your clothes outside to dry. So when you're packing, try to bring clothes that dry quickly. Lightweight, man-made fibers are preferable. Cotton and jeans take much longer to dry. You don't want to put damp clothes in your suitcase. If you come across a washer dryer, don't pass it up. Washing facilities in your future accommodations may not be working properly or not available, so take advantage of these facilities when possible. In a worst case scenario, you can always wash things by hand, then hang them to dry as needed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below. And as always, special thanks to Johnny Flynn for giving us permission to use his beautiful music. Happy travels!